This is the seventh time you have been banned from Roblox. We are so sick of you. You are banned for 6 months. If you want to appeal, email us. Your ban will be lifted in 3 months, but this will be your last chance. You know, Bane, we are so done with you. We are extremely furious at you. You are banned forever. You are grounded forever. Ever since you attended Roblox, all you have been doing is insulting us all damn day. We are sick of it. Now that you got the account termination, which is called the Giga Ban. This means that X1X1X1 will glitch and crash your computer. Farewell, and we hope you learned your lesson. Because you turned off our ban, we limited you to black screen and permanently no doom. This means that X1X1X1 will glitch and crash your computer. Farewell, and we hope you learned your lesson. You know, Brain, how dare you bypass the ban? That's it.